I know you like the energy sector as well, Bob. A big sector, of course. Where specifically, Bob, do you see value?
Well, I think broadly across the energy sector, it's been the most unloved stock sector over the course of the last, 12 to 18 months, particularly seeing asset managers building meaningful short positions, for instance, across the hedge fund industry, and flows into the ETFs related to the companies, also basically the weakest sector that we've seen. I think in a lot of ways, the market action is setting up for a possible short squeeze there, as there's so many short or underweight positions in place at a time when, not really for economic reasons, but for supply constraint reasons, as well as geopolitical tensions, we're starting to get a spike up, another leg up here in oil. And you put that together, you could create that short squeeze and a positive performance for both the stocks and the commodities themselves.
Interesting, Bob. At the same time, I also want to get you to sort of play off of what Bill was saying about China, because I know you have a view on what's going on there currently. Maybe you could talk a little bit about how you think that's going to play into or not play into what's going on with energy.
Well, everyone here in the West is hoping for the great Chinese recovery. We've been hoping for several years. And the reality is that it's just more of the same. For whatever reason, from a policy making perspective, Chinese authorities have decided that mediocre growth is acceptable and are prioritizing exchange rate stability rather than engaging in domestic monetary easing that's necessary to support or accelerate the economy. And so when you look across all the stats, whether it's the PMIs, they've been flat for a couple years. You look at the commodities that China meaningfully influences, like ore and steel, and you're seeing those fall to, post-COVID lows. It's not a great picture for the Chinese markets. And that small equity pop that we saw took huge buying from the national team just to get a modest recovery in equities. So I look at China, I sort of say a lot more of the same, and that hope that so many investors have brought that it would accelerate in the course of 2024 doesn't look like it's going to happen.